My video is about removing the ransomware called Ppvs. This ransomware, by the way, is from the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes, of course. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly restore your files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be very easily injected into the device, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware encrypts files and then appends a special Ppvs extension to the file names, so it's indeed impossible to use the files. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste the money. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. Ppvs is the extension appended to the file names, and by the way, removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue. To remove this ransomware, what I recommend you to do is to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. You need to click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. You need to wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. As for file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will help you to possibly recover your data. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt the files, but it helps to protect your data from further ransomware attacks.